This is all your mama's fault.
It's not at all cold in Gujarat. सबका ब्रेकअप हो गया.
तो अभी आजकल वही चल रहा है.
कैसे हो रहा गुजराती मध्ये? ही बोलो दही पुरी, भेल, पानी पुरी and रंगा पैटिस. Hey guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My hair's a little wet, that's because I just had a bath and washed my hair, but that's not the point of the video. The point of the video is that I am traveling tomorrow and I'm so excited because it's the last trip of the year. I'm not going to any place like fancy in the sense like a new place or anything, but I am going to Gujarat at my family friend's place where I love going. Okay, I'm going to continue the vlog in my room, but yeah, I was saying that I'm going to Baroda in Gujarat at my family friend's place for New Year's. So the initial plan was that we were going to go to Goa, but then that didn't happen. So now we are going to Gujarat, Baroda, and I always enjoy going there, and that's because some of my most favorite people are there, and it's always fun going there and hanging out with everyone. This time we just thought of having a very nice, chill, sweet New Year. Also, my dad has a surprise planned for us. So he just made like a small itinerary in the sense like a few things that we would do every day. And on the third day, that is Monday, he has written, we are leaving for the resort. And I was like, what? Which resort are we going to? And I was asking my friend there, but no one has the clue. It's apparently a surprise. So we're just guessing today. I called my dad's friend and both of us were just thinking of which resort could probably be. But nonetheless, super excited, and I'm going to vlog everything. It's the night before, and tomorrow morning, early morning at 6:20 we have our train, but I haven't started packing yet, and it is almost 10 p.m. We have our train tomorrow early morning and I haven't started packing, and my mom's been behind me since morning. My dad came from work and he's like, I'm sure you haven't packed, and I haven't. Let's start packing. It's going to be cold over there, so I'm gonna get like a few full sleeved tops, but the weather's like changing, so I'm not too sure. The packing has started. My mom is to the rescue and she's helping me pack.
She only likes to give instructions and nothing else.
I am just done packing. My mom packed more than me. I just helped her by removing the clothes and all. But then I packed all my makeup and everything. So good job from my end. I'm pretty sure I won't get sleep till 12ish, I think. So I'll be at the lack of sleep. But nonetheless, really excited for the trip. Oh wait, I had decided in my head, and I decided in one vlog also, that I want to vlog in Hindi and I would vlog this trip in Hindi, but I forgot. तो बीच में अगर याद रहे तो मैं हिंदी में भी vlogging करूँगी. But anyways, now is the next morning और अभी मैं coffee पी रही हूँ because without coffee मैं उठ नहीं पाती. By the way, it is 4:45 a.m. in the morning और मैं कल रात को I think 11:45 12 को सोई थी. So I slept late only because I was watching My Fault, which I really liked, and I am having coffee. सुबह कितनी भी सुबह क्यों ना हो, कॉफ़ी के बिना मेरी नींद नहीं खुलती, and I cannot continue my day. खालती तब मम्मा ग्राउंड फ्लोर तो दाब. So we have left. मम्मा तो ये थी है.
Hi, good morning.
So we are off. We're not getting any cabs because it's early in the morning. I don't know why. And yeah, I have my book with me, Better Than the Movies, my iPad. And we are off. My dad's coming in the other lift. So the taxi is coming in reverse and my dad is coming walking. I don't know why he's not sat in the car and he's coming. But anyways, we are in the train and someone else was sitting on our seat. And then we thought we came in the wrong compartment. But they were in the wrong compartment and now we're finally sitting. Mama.
तिथे मस्त आपल्या सीटवर बसून पत्तेच खेळत होते बाबा.
Man, they were sitting on our... काय बोलतोय?
Very excited to go to Baroda.
The men sitting here were playing cards on our seat and then they had to get up. We asked the people who were sitting on our seat to move and we are on the wrong in the wrong compartment. And now we have to move because people came in at Borivali.
You are the leader. Follow the leader.
We sat in C3 and I was in C9.
C7.
successfully reached our seat, and there were again people sitting on this seat also, and they sat on the wrong seat apparently. So it was very funny. We came, our compartment was C9, but we sat in C3. We sat in C3 by mistake, and there were already some men sitting there playing cards and all. So then we told them that it's not their seat, and coincidentally it was actually not their seat, but that was not our seat, but it was not even their seat. So then we sat, and Borivali came, everything happened, and then everyone was like, you know, the people came and it was somebody else's seat, and they were like, this is our seat, and then we went to check, and then we realized that we were sitting in C3 and ours was C9.
This is all your mama's fault because she bought the ticket from Vinay, okay?
C9 comes first on the platform, right? And C3 is quite in the end. So we have walked all the way to C3 in the morning, only to walk internally and come back to C9. Breakfast is served now. I'm having omelette with bread, my mom's having cutlet, and my dad's again having omelette. My dad wanted me to remove a video, so I'm removing and taking this video. He wanted me to take it and now he's hiding.
इथे नाही राशी
इथेच येणार माझा YouTube vlog. It is lunch time now, having chole, chapati. This is a form of dhokla, I think, and dal. Durvalji, how are you feeling? I'm in Baroda after 1 year, almost a year.
amazing.
And we are meeting also after a year, na?
No, don't lie. We meet.
Very often. She came last week only.
हम शाम को बात करेंगे, ठीक है?
क्यों बट अभी क्यों नहीं
अभी
vlog?
नहीं, अभी आई एम नॉट फिट और
Stretching time in the evening, very randomly, we were having conversations and this has started.
On past life regression.
हम किसके बारे में बात कर रहे थे?
ये अभी योगा कर रहे हैं, उसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. ये योगा नहीं कर रहे हैं, ये मजाक कर रहे हैं योगा.
So I am ready. I have just worn a simple black kurti and we're going for dinner at our other family friends' place, who you all just saw in the vlog, and worn these cute earrings. Everything's bought from Durva Didi, so let's go. It's not at all cold in Gujarat. I was so excited for the winters, and it's not at all cold. थोड़ा रिकमेंडेशन दीजिए मेरी ऑडियंस को, मतलब क्या क्या शो वो वॉच कर सकते हैं. मिसमैच देखा है? मिसमैच
इज आल्सो अ गुड वन. वो तो मैंने पूरा खत्म कर दिया.
बट एंडिंग अच्छी लगी आपको? वो एकदम एंडिंग अच्छी नहीं थी मिसमैच की ना.
हाँ, वो थोड़ा बहुत चलता है ऐसा. वो हर एक पिक्चर में एक जैसा नहीं हो सकता है. एंडिंग सभी अच्छे नहीं होते, बराबर. कभी बुरे भी होते हैं.
सबका ब्रेकअप हो गया.
सबका.
हाँ.
तो अभी आजकल वही चल रहा है. ठीक है ना.
There's a mocktail in the making right now. It's called something. And we're gonna make it right now and I'll show it to you all. So Vaishali auntie found it, then Urvalidi made it for Diwali and now we're making it again.
And it was a super hit. झिलमिल छटाक आणि पटकन घटाक.
But it's very yummy, na?
Very tasty.
It's actually pretty cold now. It's 10:30, 11 at time we're going back home. And the weather is good. I like it. I really love it. So it is day 2 and again I've just woken up. It's 10:30 and we just woke up, and today there's going to be chula style mutton that's going to be made. So very authentic, very desi type mutton, and I love mutton. I'm a huge mutton lover. I love it so much, and full on like chula style mutton. Everything is going to get made, and it's also winters. The weather is really pleasant now, so really excited to have it. Let me show it to you all. I'll show it to you all from outside, and also there'll be a reel on my short, a YouTube short, my mom's YouTube channel, so don't forget to check it out and subscribe to her channel as well. Look at this, guys. Just look at this. So cool, and so excited to have it.
बोलने.
A very cute kid has come here, so we are talking to him. She's going to teach me how to talk to him in Gujarati.
नाम सोच है बेटा.
He doesn't reply to anyone.
चकरी खाए छे.
मम्मा यार, मम्मा गुजराती मध्ये बोलती है. हेलो.
हेलो हेलो काय करते फोन वर थोडी बोलतोय एकदम.
आप कैसे हो? काय कैसे हो रहा गुजराती मध्ये? केवू छे तने.
દીકરા કેવું?
Lunch time. So excited for the mutton. It is now evening time. We all slept for a bit and it's 6:30 now. We just rested because we're going to have some chaat and ponk now. Ponk is very popular in Gujarat, especially during winters. We also had papdi no lot yesterday, which I couldn't film because we were in the car and we were just like busy having and enjoying it. But papdi no lot is again very famous. All the Gujaratis or people who just like enjoy Gujarati food will know about it. There's this place called Lovely Chaat, and I think the last time I came here also I vlogged. And they'll refill the pani etc. how many ever times you want it. Our pani puri is there, and you've ordered dahi puri, bhel, pani puri and zanga patties. And everything here is delicious. The dahi puri, pani puri and ragda patties is here.
दयाल पेटिस यहाँ बहुत फेमस है बड़ौदा में, और लवली पानी पूरी कारेली बाग।
Now we have come to have ponk बोला कि पोक बोलता है? Poke. Now we have come to have poke. There's like there are lots of stalls over here. You get many things. There's poke, soup, so many things. But my mom loves poke, so we're gonna have the normal simple poke.
ये तो गुजरात का काफी
Famous
फेमस डिश है गुजरात का पोंक। आप सूरत जाओ, बड़ौदा जाओ, अहमदाबाद जाओ, एवरीवेयर पीपल आर वेटिंग फॉर विंटर टू कम।
Yes. So I am back home now. We went to Lovely Chat and then we had ponk also. Ponk asta ki poke asta? Poke. Ha. I keep asking whether it's ponk or poke, but yeah, we had poke. And then after that we just chilled around. We went to have some dessert and ice creams. Then after that we went to a temple which is very close by, on the way only. And then we're back home now, and me and Durva Didi were going to watch a movie, mostly Kissing Booth, because we wanted to watch like a very chill rom-com. And that's going to be it for yesterday and today. And tomorrow I'll start part 2 of the trip because we are going out somewhere, and it's a surprise from my dad's side for us, but we kind of already know the place. But that's for tomorrow's vlog. So I hope you all enjoyed it, and wait for tomorrow's vlog as well and the day after. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.